All right, look, we got something great here for you, a 2016 Honda Pilot LX. Let's go over some things on this vehicle you're definitely gonna like the most. Let's start here with the front, LED running headlights as well for you. Breakaway mirrors, knowing that it's against some tight spaces, you can put that right in for you, that way you're okay. Privacy glass. In the back side just as well as the other back as well too here for the passengers, and the passengers are sitting way in the back. We're gonna take a look at the trunk and I'm gonna show you some fascinating things. All right, listen, this is a whole lot of space back here, so let's go over some things here first. Again, you got the chairs, this as well, they go down, 60-40 split as well. You can have them just either way. You come in the side here, you got again a flip side, so it's reversible for you, just in case you need it for anything that hopefully it don't leak. You can even lay it down as well, create a shelf so things don't have to go back and forth inside there as well for you. Spear underneath there, the trailer hitches as well too. Come around the front, we're gonna take a look at the passenger side for you. If you take a look there, you got again vents, ducts in the back for your air conditioning, seats with a whole lot of space, cup holders, door holders for the cups as well. Again, you come into the front, you got your econ on there, audio control just from the steering wheel. You pretty much, you name it, it probably most likely have it inside this LX here for you. Let's go over some things more. We can finish this up. All right, look, my name's Mike McKinnon, okay? 115 Lenz Road, right across the street from Walmart is where we located at Delaney Honda, okay? Listen, we have a great vehicle here. It's a 2016 Honda Pilot LX. I'd like you to come down and test drive it. That way you can see exactly how it feels. Looking forward to seeing you. Have a great day.